Hey everyone, are you tired of those generic contact form 1-inch labels making your Hostinger submissions a nightmare to track? You know when you just can't tell which form is which? Well, get ready to discover how to instantly rename your forms for clear organization and much better data insights. We're going to streamline your site management right now. Alright, in this tutorial we're going to quickly navigate through your Hostinger site builder, locate the exact form settings we need, and customize that form's name. You'll have beautifully organized forms in just a few minutes. So let's dive straight in. The very first thing we need to do is get into your Hostinger website builder. This is where all the magic happens for your site's design and functionality. You'll want to head over to your main Hostinger dashboard and then simply click on the option to manage your website or launch the website builder. We need to be inside that visual editor to start making these changes. Just give it a moment to load up, sometimes it takes a breath, especially if you have a content-rich site. Once you're in the builder, you'll see your website laid out right there. Now the goal is to rename a specific form, so we need to tell Hostinger which one we're working with. Go ahead and find the form on your page that you want to rename, and simply click on it. This action selects the form, and you should see a little menu or panel pop up around it, indicating that it's now active for editing. With your form selected, you'll see various options appear. What we're looking for next is the Edit Form button. This button is your gateway to customizing everything about that specific form, from its fields to its submission settings, and of course its name. Just give that Edit Form button a friendly click to open up the detailed settings panel. Now you're in the Form settings panel. It's got a lot of options, but we're focused on the name. You should see a field that displays the current name of your form. It might be something like Contact Form 1-inch or Unnamed Form. Go ahead and click directly on that existing name. This highlights the text, letting the system know you're ready to make a change right there. And here's the really important part, the core action. You'll see a text field, perhaps with some descriptive text like appears in the submissions list, visible to you. This is where we input our new super clear form name. This isn't just for show, folks. By giving your forms meaningful names right here in Hostinger, you make it so much easier to track submissions and understand your data later on. For instance, instead of Form 3, you could name it Summer Sale Sign-up or Customer Support Inquiry. This click-by-click platform-specific instruction is exactly how you take control of your data, making your Hostinger experience truly efficient. Go ahead and type in your desired new name now. Make it descriptive. Once you've typed in your brilliant new name, you need to make sure those changes stick. Look for a Save or Done button within that form settings panel. This is a critical step because if you navigate away without saving, all that good work will be lost. So find that Saved button and give it a firm click to commit your new form name to your website. Finally, we need to verify that your new form name is showing up exactly where it matters. While the name won't appear on the live site for visitors, it's vital for your back-end tracking. So click on Preview in the top right of your builder. This often takes you to a view where you can either preview your live site. The main goal here is to check your form submissions or the list of forms in your Hostinger dashboard to confirm that your new descriptive name is clearly visible there. This way you'll easily differentiate between all your different form submissions going forward. And there you have it. You've just successfully renamed your form in the Hostinger website builder. You're no longer stuck with those vague, generic names, and you're now ready to manage your website data like a pro. Congratulations on taking control and making your website even more organized.